right, rapid fire round with Desma Dias. Ready?
Ready.
Okay. Tuka tattoos asa?
Yes, I do.
Do you have any tattoos?
Yeah, behind and my back on
All
top.
right, okay. Kenna tori tu movie halfway sodun gora gela. Have you ever walked out of a movie theater?
No,
No,
I
never.
love movies.
All right. Do you vote in local elections?
Yes, I did.
This is the only question of politics, okay, all right? What is one thing you wish you enjoyed more?
Maybe I don't know as such, but maybe I would enjoy taking care of a family.
Okay. What never fails to make you laugh?
Myself and my stupid jokes at times.
Okay. How do you usually answer the telephone?
Any way any way possible actually. No specific answer.
Okay. Your hidden talent?
Hidden talent, I can laugh like Bharti.
Okay. Can you do it to us? All right. Okay. What story do you tell most often if asked?
Stories what I tell is only about dance.
Okay. What is your favorite thing to do in the summertime?
I love to spend time with my family.
Okay.
Picnics.
All right. What was your major in college?
Fun weeks.
Okay. If you could be transformed into one animal, which one would you choose?
I would love to be a dog
Why?
because they are most caring and loving and loyal.
All right. Would you rather find your dream job or win the lottery?
I would find my dream job.
Okay. Where do you see yourself in another 5 to 10 years?
Having my own studio.
Okay. Good. What's the greatest weakness as a dancer?
Weakness. As a dancer, you're judged for being yourself actually.
All right. Why should people hire you?
Because I'm always high on energy and I will give my great work and always the best work.
All right. Do you have any question for us?
No questions.
All right. Well answered.
Thank
Elaine,
you.
are you thinking now what will be your next question?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right. Rapid fire round with Elaine Norona. What is one thing you regret spending money on?
Perfumes.
Perfumes. All
I
right.
have a lot of perfumes.
Have you ever written a song for someone?
Yes, I did.
What is the stupidest dare you ever agreed to?
Calling someone and firing bad words at me.
You did that?
Yeah, I did that. God, my parents are watching this. Why did I?
What is your go-to lazy dinner?
Lazy dinner, Chinese.
What
Indian.
has been your favorite age so far?
Age? I think 18.
Okay.
It's very
What is
nice.
one of your nicknames? If any?
Ilu.
If you could afford any car, like a luxury car, which one would you drive?
I don't have a particular guy in mind. Any car that's red.
Okay. What movie do you enjoy quoting the most?
I think the one from Om Shanti Om.
Okay.
The Kisi Dil Se, I mean,
All right.
Dil Se
What
Kya
dish
Hoya.
do you cook the best?
I think prawns butter garlic.
Okay. What is your favorite rainy day activity?
I think just going out in the rain and making paper boats like a
Okay.
kid.
Who's your favorite Disney character?
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse. Okay. What are you most looking forward to?
I am looking forward to see myself on the big screen someday.
Okay. Do you enjoy performing in front of the audience?
Yes.
Do you vote in local elections?
Yes, I do.
Have you ever won a contest?
Yeah, I won Miss Platonica in Goa University.
Okay. Have you ever won a bet?
Yeah, I think.
Okay. Do you like clothes shopping?
Yeah, once in a while.
Okay. When you are angry, what do you do?
Oh my god. I move out of the house because I can see a lot of things in anger, so I just move out of the house
All
quietly.
right. Okay. Well played. Well played.